Okay folks, so these two lights right here that I'm pointing at with my fingers are high beams. The one on the outside here is a low beam. You see this one over here is out. And we can prove that by going in the car and you see the blue light for high beam is on, so we're going to switch that off and then we're going to go look. Okay, so now we're on low beam and the only one lit up is over here, so that means this one here on that edge is out. So I've taken the liberty and gone to my local Subaru dealer because I didn't want a variation in light color because I'm only replacing one. And the reason why I did that, I spent the extra money, got a $13 light bulb. It's hard to handle with one hand here. It's a $13 light bulb and you don't want to get your fingerprints on this thing. Okay, my lovely bride is going to hold the camera for me. Now you don't want to touch this with your fingers because your fingerprints can actually make the light blow. So you grab it by the plastic part, like so. I'm just going to set this aside and set it down gently while I take the other one out. I still have the key on while I was testing to see what light is what, so I'm going to turn that off. So now I know it's the outside light on this side. So you look down beside the battery here, and I'll get you in there. It's way back in there. That's what we want to be. That's where we want to be, right there. Off to the left-hand side. So you grab that. And you turn it like so, and then just wiggle it a little bit and it'll come right out. Okay, now this one's already blown, so I don't have to worry about not touching it. Let's see, I gotta see where I push the button here. I think it's right. Okay, yeah. Okay, so can you see this tab right here? Okay, so this tab right here, you're going to want to squeeze that with your fingers and pull at the same time, and that light bulb will come right out just like that. Now keep in mind you can't touch this portion of the light bulb on the new one because your fingerprints can actually make that bulb blow. So you want to hold it like this, go in here like this, grab the bulb like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this without touching the bulb, just the way the other one came out, and gently push it in until it clicks. Give a little tug, make sure it's connected, and it is. So now I want to gently take this and spin it around and put it directly back inside the lens the way I took it out. You got to have it lined up perfectly for it to go in there. Okay folks, so you want this at the 4 o'clock position when you put it in. You're going to put it in at 4 o'clock position and turn it clockwise until it comes down to the 6 o'clock position to lock it in. And it should be facing directly down like this when it's in. and I'll give you a shot of that. There it is, facing directly down. Now on this side, on the right side of the car, which are very difficult to see, so this airbox assembly is in the way on this side, so you have to dismantle. So you take this plug and this plug out. You can take a prying device in there and pry the center pin out, and then the whole thing will come out on both sides. Take this airbox out and you can get to the right side low and high beam headlights in there. Okay, so I'll have my lovely bride go in and turn the lights on. High beam, low beam, perfect. Okay, there you have it, folks. 2019 Subaru Impreza headlight replacement. Peace out, and God bless you.